Hi, Lewis and students. This video is just to give you a quick feedback on getting together your Diet Study One project. There was a question posed in the troubleshooting forum regarding how to complete number 3 on the Diet Study instructions. So first I wanted to make sure everyone knows where they're downloading their instructions. There seems to be a couple of questions about where the food logs are. This is the assignment page I have pulled up on our Canvas website. And the instructions are right here where it says download the Diet Study instructions. You want to just click on that button and it'll download it right to your desktop. And it gives you all of the steps on what to do for the project. Hopefully you've already started all of this. It's going to be difficult to do in one day if you haven't. And then it has all of your logs for you to fill out, as well as I provided a sample food log for you so you can get a feel for how that should be filled in. But let's address the question that was posed about item number 3 on your instructions, which is fill in your target intakes. Your target intakes are coming from step number 2, which is your MyPlate plan that you download from the Choose MyPlate website. I have a sample here for you that I downloaded. This is for a 2,600 calorie plan. And let me show you how you get that filled in onto your food logs. So here's a sample food log, and let's just type those in. So you're going to start with, here we've got fruits. The recommended intake or target for 2,600 calories is 2 cups of fruit. So you simply go over to fruit on the target intake row and write in 2 cups. Now let's take a look for veggies. It's 3.5 cups. In the same row, we're putting 3.5 cups. Next up is grains, 9 ounces. Type in 9 ounces. We've got protein at 6.5 ounces. We go here to 6.5 ounces. Notice the unit of measure. That's going to be really important as you fill in the other aspects. And dairy is 3 cups. We put that here. And the target calorie intake is 2,600 calories. All right, now I also mentioned on question number 3 that you fill in the limits like added sugar, saturated fat, and sodium. Those are found at the bottom of your MyPlate plan that you downloaded. And for everyone, it's going to be 2,300 milligrams a day. So let's fill that one in over here as your target. Take note that it's milligrams, not grams. Next is saturated fat, 29 grams a day is the target. Now in my instruction, I said make sure you put that in calories. I know you guys all learned this well in the first chapter, but there's 9 calories for every gram of fat. So you need to calculate that by multiplying 29 grams times 9 calories for every gram, which gives you 261 calories as your target for saturated fat. Now, likewise for added sugars, they're saying your limit should be no more than 65 grams of added sugars a day. And again, I know you know this from chapter 1, but there's 4 calories for every gram. So you would simply multiply 65 times 4, and that gives us 260 calories as your upper limit for added sugar intakes in a day. Now all of your targets are filled in. Now that that's complete, you should be able to complete the rest of the log following the instructions. I hope that gives you a hand up in completing the project, but again, feel free to message me and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Good luck with it.